Approximately 85% of American men will experience some degree of appreciable hair loss by the age of 35, and approximately 25% of men who suffer from hair loss and thinning begin doing so before they reach the age of 21. This is according to research conducted by the American Hair Loss Association. Women also suffer from thinning hair and less than optimal hair growth. The American Hair Loss Association also noted that women actually make up 40% of American hair loss sufferers. So, what can be done about this? Are there natural ways to promote hair growth? The answer is yes. Research has found several foods that can actually help your hair grow, and here are 6 of those foods. Dark, leafy greens. You've likely been told to eat your greens, and you really should heed that advice. Leafy vegetables like spinach and kale deliver a healthy dose of iron, that is a mineral needed for healthy hair cells. Research has linked iron deficiency to hair loss, simply because low iron is an indicator that oxygen and nutrients are not moving to the hair roots and follicles. This can block hair from growing and/or make the hair you do grow very weak. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes and grapefruit are all examples of citrus fruits that are filled with wonderful vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin, making it great for things like absorption of other important nutrients like iron. Sweet potatoes. While you may think that your hair grows slowly, it is actually the fastest growing part of your body, because the skin it connects to are the fastest growing tissues in your body. Even so, in order for those tissues to work, vitamin A is essential. Sweet potatoes pack a big punch of vitamin A, providing more than 4 times your recommended daily intake. Eggs. Protein is a critical ingredient in ensuring healthy hair growth, simply because hair is made of protein. Keratin is inside every single strand of hair, making it so important to maintain a healthy dose of protein in your diet. Eggs have a ton of protein. In fact, there are 6 to 7 grams of protein in one single egg to help your hair grow at a strong and healthy rate. Avocados. Avocados work amazingly for dry hair. This superfruit contains vitamins A, D, E and B6, and is also high in proteins, amino acids, magnesium, folic acid, copper and iron. Wowzers! Vitamin E, specifically, helps improve blood circulation, that is needed for the follicles to promote healthy hair growth. And while eating these deliciously smooth fruits in a salad, smoothie, salsa or even plain will give you the benefits you need. Avocado oil can be applied directly to the hair, which is also awesome. Nuts and seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids are great for your hair, particularly in adding thickness. Unfortunately, your body is unable to produce these healthy fats. You need to find outside sources and implement them into your diet. Fortunately, nuts and seeds like almonds, cashews, walnuts are full of these healthy fats, and are completely edible and entirely delicious. What's better? Nuts also contain vitamin D, which has been found to help create new follicles, where you can grow new, thick, strong, healthy hair you can be proud of.